Hello everyone, my name is Adela Oluwase. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Panda video compressor to compress any of your large file video to small. So in your own case, you can go to Play Store to go and download Panda video compressor. But in my own case, I have it already, so I will just open it. Then I will locate any of my small file, big file video, and I will compress it. So let me use this as an example. So the most important thing here is that you pick large file, just compress. That is what you pick. Forget about the remaining one. So then you tap on compress. Then it will start compressing. Let's wait for it. So it's now in 78%, 80%. So almost done. All right, it is 900%. So you can see original is 26 MB, the compressed one is 11 MB. That's a good one. So from here you just tap on saved, the first one at the bottom, tap on saved, then you click on OK. Then it will tell you save is done. OK. Then you can now go back and go to your gallery and go and check the file. So this is the file. Do you still remember 11? So that's it. So that's how to make use of Panda video compressor. I think this video will be of help. Thank you. See you in another video.